We've looked before at extended sentences for expressing an opinion or reporting something seen or heard using gun. That, like, I think that, or I heard that. For example, Saoilidh gcomharach. I think that they're silly. Saoilidh gnroan traine fatalach. I heard that the train was late. In both these sentences, we're using the dependent form of the verb after gun. Ha becomes vil, gevil. Va becomes ro, gunro. But look out for verbal phrases that use the verb is, as well as ise, she, and isaun. Saun, we've met, is tullum, I like. When these are used with gun, it changes to GUR, and the is dropped. So, she ballach mór a haun. But, Saoilidh gur e ballach mór a haun. Or, Saun is I neach-ionnsachaidh. Ach, Saoilidh gur aun is I neach-ionnsachaidh.